my YouTube friends. Here we go with something kind of special for me. So I've been looking for one of these that was fully intact, good condition or excellent condition, you know, all that good stuff, and found it. So let's just hope and pray it made it through shipping and the seller was being honest. So let's open this up. Whoa, it's a tall one. It is rattling. So I'm a hoping and a praying, because you know my luck with eBay is not that great. Whew, good grief. Huh. All right. Let's see. We have an empty box. Huh. Okay, and lots of goobity stuff. And right away, I already see something wrong. The height adjustment is broken off. Oh, for crying out loud. So here we go. And what do I see right off the bat is, look at the plug. All bent up. There's no height adjustment. It's missing. There is a bag in it. Let's see, how's that go back in there? Okay. How does this come out? So it does have a bag in it. Looks like it's a new bag. Well, let's look underneath. And for some reason, I'm thinking it doesn't even have a belt. And it's, let's just plug it in and see if it works before we go any further. Straighten out the plug. Oh, for crying out loud. number one, let me show you this. So that's why it's not so because there was no packaging in the bottom, this back wheel is broke and it's not picking up dirt. Why? It's clogged. It's completely clogged. Oh, for crying out loud. So, so I don't know what to say. It is completely clogged. Oh. Look at that. That's a little better, but dang. All right, give me a second. I need to check out this listing again because something ain't right here. Back in a second. Okay, so I did find the selector knob. It was in the bottom of the box, but one of the screws fell out. So I'm going to see if I can unclog this thing because I have no suction at all. Now there's great suction in the bag chamber, but other than that, when you close the bag door, you can hear the motor struggling, and there's definitely nothing here's huh. Let's see. I'm getting nothing, so it's clogged somewhere. So I guess we just keep on going, don't we? I really don't want to take all this apart, but I can't seem to see how, because I'm assuming it's clogged somewheres in here. Sorry, my friends, I really thought I was going to do a demo with you. I did go look. The seller has it listed as a rare vacuum. Doesn't say anything was wrong with it. But here, as you can see, I don't get to use it because I'm taking it apart. So it's clear. Really didn't even take the time to check for suction or anything. I think just turned it on. So look at that, completely clogged. Holy crap, look at this. Can you see that? That is completely clogged. Look at that. Are you kidding me? There is no way sheetrock, there is no way. Look at that. How can you test something people. I need to get another vacuum so I can vacuum all that out. Okay. Here we go. This is my mother-in-law's old vacuum. Oldie but goodie. All right. Let's see if I can get this back together without throwing a fit. Okay, that went back in. This did not. Whoops. Got a ton of dirt in it. Okay. Oh, people, people, people. I just don't get it. The main thing a vacuum cleaner is supposed to do is have suction, right? Then how can you sell a vacuum and say it's tested and working when quite clearly, just by pulling the hose, you can see there was no suction? Oh well. Why do I keep messing with eBay? Why? It didn't say anything about not having all the onboard tools. I don't know why I can't be mad at anybody but myself. Okay, be careful, it's plastic, so don't go too tight. All right, let's see if we can put this bottom back on. Well, that's why that one fell out, because it's stripped, which tells me somebody was in here before, huh? Okay, it looks like I'm missing a screw. So did I just... Well, this one is stripped out, it looks like. Yep. So since that one's stripped out, we'll put it on the other side. And that one is stripped out. Can't win. Okay. There it goes. So we have two holes that are stripped out. but we did find the selector height adjustment. So that's one good thing. So hopefully it works a little better now. There we go. Now we got suction. All right, so at least we're moving along. Oh my goodness. Well, now it's picking up. There we go. Well, so far so good. Now, look at this. Do you see all that? That's what was in there. That's what's disgusting. So let me throw this away. I don't want to be sucking that up. All right, I'm sorry, my friends. I didn't expect all this. So let me clean up some of my mess. Put this away over here. And let's see if we can get this thing to pick up the dirt that's all over my floor with a bent wheel. Well, that is much, much better. That is grooming the carpet. It's got great suction. So let me have a drink of my coffee. It's a cold, rainy day. Let me pull this cord out. back here so we can do some tests with it. That wheel is bothering me. So I'm just going to throw some rice down as normal. And if you give me a second, I'm going to put you closer down on the floor so you can see this. Okay, my friends. Very nice. Did you notice here on the right side, if you could see it, it was sucking in rice from the side. But it did a very good job. It was neat to see the wind tunnel part working to where you can see here on the front where it was sucking everything up into here. That was pretty cool to see the rice. Well, not so bad. Let's finish what we were doing. Okay, now it does come with the turbo brush here. So do you think it's going to work with the turbo brush? Yep. I'll be darned. Well, very nice. So we do have, I guess you have to see it this way, the broken wheel. This one is fine, this one not. It's unclogged. The release works fine. We do have, whoops, I'm going the wrong way. There we go. We do have good suction, so if I can find the rest of the tools, we should be in good shape. The rewind is a bit sluggish. But I think you're supposed to press this. There we go. Not bad. So, at the end of the day, we have it unclogged. We are missing the tools, except the turbo brush. Broken wheel. We did find the adjustment. The brush roll is working. I checked the belt. The belt is in decent condition. So, I mean, at the end of the day, but why isn't that sealing? Huh. Is it or is it not sealing? Is the question. Huh. I think that might have been my fault. I don't think I had it in there correctly. But anyway, there we go. The Hoover WindTunnel 2. Headlight worked, adjustment worked, turbo nozzle is working. If I could find the parts, and maybe a new wheel, I'd be a happy camper. Well, thanks for coming along. Think about subscribing to my channel. Maybe give me a thumbs up. Ring that bell so that each and every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. Until next time, have a great day. Happy holidays. Talk to you soon.